What's up, everybody? Excuse the noise. So up here we got paper towel. Paper towel, it's empty right now, but normally there's a blue towel there. Stickers. Glove holder. Streamlight holder, it's broke. It fits perfectly into this little hole. So it's whatever. The light, two headlights, snap-on lights. Streamlight. Here I got this little can holder, brake clean, piece of blaster, random screwdrivers that won't fit. Here I got my pry bars, big one, little ones. Here I got my magnet, 14.4 battery, so you can put it wherever you want. It's harder, so I can put a 14.4 battery in it and power up my phone holder. Right there. Magnetic strip. All my standard sockets. Metric sockets. 6-point. But I'm dealing with fancier rims, yada yada. My screwdrivers. Snap-on ones work great. Got my snap-on magnetic trays here. Matco 1/4 inch and 3-inch wobble sockets. Got this Matco holder for the rest of the sockets I don't normally use, but I do normally use, but I have nowhere to put them there. The magnet there holding on to 15 because they won't fit in this kit. My 1/4 inch metric set. First drawer, I got my Matco ratchets. All 88 tooth. Fucks with them. Streamlight holder for my belt. Mag precision torque wrenches. Blue point standard wrenches. Mac 1/16 and 1/8. And my snap-on short impact. 1/2 inch. 3 drawers on my electrical and air tools. 1/4 inch Mac impact, 3H DeWalt, nut driver, DeWalt, telescopic screwdriver, 3H 1/4 inch electric 14.4 snap-on electric ratchets. I got my Matco 1/4 inch and 3H air, Mac air chuck, Mac little thing I use with like a little cut off wheel, this little blade, long 1/4 inch ratchet air. DeWalt is a 60 volt. Little buzzer, 1/2 inch snap-on, 3/8 Matco, 3/8 stubby Cornwell, little air drill, yada yada. Here I keep the hammers. Favorite one, Matco 4 pounds. It's a big chisel, kingpin for using this chisel. My Matco, I know it's standard there, but these are metric long. Oh, and my Matco wrench extender. Here I got my basic pliers I use. Nipex, blue points, Mac, snap-ons. My oil change, oil filter stuff. Here, this is a snap-on additional thing they had. I got it to hold my extensions, all 15 sets of extensions in there. Got my adapters, junk, pens, pencil, my measuring stuff, dielectric, got all my blades, picks, random stuff. Serpentine belt tool, little seal puller, valve cover, pry bar, stuff like that. You got the gist. Here we got a lot going on. My brake tools, got my Torx MacMaster set, Allen MacMaster set, snap impact driver set. This is for doing Isuzus. Isuzu front brakes. This is my Cornwell stubby squad. Stubby 1/2 inch with the real shallow 1/2 inch impact sockets. degreaser, towels for cleaning my tools, funnel, water bottle, wash fluid. On the side I got some magnets on there, of course a snap-on phone holder. On this I hang my stick light, snap-on, and this little light from snap-on. More magnets, and I use this to hold my waters and beverages throughout the day. That's about it for the cart. And then here I got my underhood cart for the big trucks, and this is the one everyone else is used to. It's the one for working on cars and small trucks, but that there is made from there to there. You can fit a 22.5 tire or a 24.5 big truck tire. Goes up to like 8 feet. Boom.